Welcome back to our channel Theinfoflux. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you all on how to interface a PIR sensor with Arduino for motion detection. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Arduino user, this project is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of automation to their home or workspace. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the components we will be using. The PIR sensor, which stands for Passive Infrared Sensor, is an electronic device that detects changes in infrared radiation emitted by humans and animals. It's commonly used for motion detection applications. On the other hand, Arduino is an open source microcontroller platform that allows you to create a wide range of projects by writing and uploading code to it. Combining Arduino with the PIR sensor opens up a world of possibilities for motion triggered projects. To get started, here are the components you will need for this project: Arduino board, PIR sensor module, relay module, bulb, breadboard, and jumper wires. Now let's wire up the PIR sensor to the Arduino board. The PIR sensor consists of 3 pins: VCC, out, and ground. Connect the VCC pin of PIR sensor to the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the out pin of PIR sensor with D2 pin of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the PIR sensor with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the relay module with digital pin 3 of the Arduino. Let's test our motion detection setup. When we wave hand or walk in front of the PIR sensor, the LED should be light up, indicating motion detection. This Arduino code set up a simple motion activated control system using a passive infrared PIR sensor and a relay module. The PIR sensor is connected to pin 3 while the relay module is connected to pin 2 of the Arduino board. Upon uploading and running the code, the Arduino board initializes the setup function which configures the serial communication. Upon uploading and running the code, the Arduino board initializes the setup function which configures the serial communication at a baud rate of 9600 and defines the pins for the PIR sensor pin 3 as an input and the relay pin 2 as an output. In the main loop, the code continuously checks the status of PIR sensor using the digital read function and store the result in the variable PIR status. The current status of the PIR sensor, high or low, is then printed to the serial monitor for monitoring purposes. If the PIR sensor detects motion, PIR status is high, indicating the presence of a person or object in this detection range. The code will activate the relay by setting it to high. The relay is typically used to control external devices such as buzzer, light, motor. Additionally, the code presents buzzer on to the serial monitor to indicate the activation. After a 2-second delay, using a delay 2000, the relay is turned off by setting it back to low. The code can be applied to various motion sensing projects including security system, automatic lighting, and other application. You have learned how to set up the PIR sensor with Arduino and create motion triggered projects. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting DIY projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching.